Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about how to install Java JDK into your system. So we have Windows 10 and we will install Java JDK 14 into our system. Okay, let's start. Now we are searching for command prompt and let's check it that Java is installed or not. Typing Java dash version. So the Java is not installed into our system. Let's search for Java JDK. Okay, and here it is. It's the official website. That's www.oracle.com. Okay, let's go there and we will install Java SE 14 and the other versions are also available here. Yes, here the Java 14 is available for Linux, Mac and Windows. So download whatever you want. We are downloading Windows version. Yes, I agree the license. Yes, download started. It will take some time. Okay, now what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. In short, JDK. And JDK is a kit which includes two things: development tools and JRE. Now what is JRE? JRE is Java Runtime Environment. Okay, and the another term is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Read it carefully. It's almost done, and JDK is only used for Java developers. Download is completed. Yes, now we will start this exe file. Let's click on it. It will take some time because I don't have any higher configuration for my system, so please wait for some time. Next, and it is the path where you are installing Java JDK. installation is complete. Now we will set up the path for Java, and we will configure the Java Runtime Environment into our system. So let's search for control panel, and now go to system and security, then system, and now advanced system settings. Now click on environment variables, and here is a path, a system variable called path. Now we will add the Java JDK bin folder into this path. Browse and go for this PC. Now see the Java, yes, what it is, and here Java, then yes, here is the bin folder, and it's done. Okay, we have successfully added the bin folder of Java JDK. Okay, now we will configure Java home. We'll make a variable called Java home for our runtime environment. Java underscore home, and here we will copy the path of Java JDK, not the bin folder, just the JDK folder path. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Okay, now click on OK. It's done. We have successfully configured the path and the Java home. Now search for CDM and Java C. It's the command for compiling Java, and it's showing some results. Now Java version, yes, it's showing that I have installed Java 14.0.1. okay, you can watch it, and that's all. Thank you for watching.